Segundahan ko yung sinabi ninyong dalawa kasi kanina lumapit talaga ako kay Migs when I saw Senator Migs when I saw the news article na sabi ko, bakit malisyoso ang dating nito? Nasa kanya na yun to clarify anything, but by the mere fact that may mga projects that the senators are being asked to support in the budget is our job. So, like I said, sinabi mo yon na nandyan yung mga governors, nandyan yung mga from barangay captain, kung sana may CCTV tayo para pakita niyo yung dala ng mga, ano tawag na, sabihin ko, module, folder ng mga from barangay captain to mayors, governors, may dala ho yan kasi nagre-request po ng project. Then pag malaki, ang gagawin pa nga nila, iisa-isahin nila, sabihin nila na, Senator, ganito, phase 1 po kasi sa inyo, nahingi na ho namin kay ganito yung phase 2. Why do they do that? Because it is our job. It is in the Constitution. So, alam nila ngayon. Ngayon, none of us, I can speak, I guess I cannot speak for everyone na, but I'll speak for myself. We don't tolerate corruption here. But I also don't tolerate that there are insinuations that we are doing wrong when we make amendments that are called insertion. Tatawagin ng insertion, tapos may mali siya na. Whether that is the news outlets, people out there from within the Senate, I object to that. That is not fair because it is our job. Ngayon, kung meron kang ginawang malisyoso, di yun, take it up in the proper forum. Pero to just say na si Senator JV, gamitin ko Senator JV kasi okay lang sa kanya to, nag-insert ng ganito karami dun sa, sa PhilHealth. Oh, ginagawa namin yan. Because it's our job. Ilang beses ako tumayo dito na, alam niyo yan, kasi kayo po ang chairman, na nilaban ko na ibalik, i-insert. Yes, that is the word insertion. Ibalik, i-insert yung pondo ng PhilHealth na hindi binibigay. So if I call it an amendment, it's okay. But if I call it an insertion, malisyoso yon, bawal yon. So that's what I'm saying. It is our job. So I thank the majority floor leader for standing up and sabi nga niya, ako na tumayo dito. Well, tumatayo din ako with you. Tumatayo din ako with you. And I never went to you for a project kasi nga tama, alam ko na si Finance Chairman, that was Sani Angara at that time, then Senate President last year, and now JV, nasasabi mong, may room ba? May room ba tayo para sa more classrooms? May space ba na paghahanapan? Remember in our debate yesterday on no detention, di ba? I put on record na nagdagdag ako ng budget for zero balance billing. And then the Senate President properly reminded me na hindi lang para dun sa mga regional hospitals and LGUs, pati sa specialty hospitals. You reminded me. And then I even said nga na yung pilot project na I proudly, ako nag-initiate, ako talaga nag-insert nun. 1 billion for pilot project ng LGU Zero Balance kasi naaawa ako sa mga mayor na pinupuntahan sila ng mga pasyente na in-announce po Zero Balance. Ay, hindi kasi kami makakasama doon. So, maliit lang yung 1 billion, sobrang konti, but I put on record, it's a start. I could have asked you, because kayo, Mr. Senate President, ang chairman nun, sige na, lagyan mo to ng 10 billion because 10 is probably kulang sa dami ng LGU hospitals natin. But alam ko may hangganan, so sabi ko, start ako 1 billion. Kaya sa next chairman natin ng Committee on Finance, abangan mo, kasi pag nagamit ng maganda yung LGU zero balance budget na yon, baka doblehin ko, triplehin ko. At I'm sure papayag ka kasi full support din tayo sa bagong PhilHealth chairperson president, di ba? So ganun yun, that is the process. So thank you, Majority Floor Leader, for bringing this up. Sana nakadagdag lang tayo sa pagkakaintindi ng mga kababayan natin on what our jobs are. And again, no tolerance naman po tayo sa mga kasamaan at mga corruption naman dyan. We're just doing our job. Thank you.